channel G Oily Essentials. In today's video, I will be sharing with you a special recipe that I am always using or I'm always taking para magkaroon tayo ng healthier body, and this is included in my healthy habits, guys. So actually I've been into oiling for almost 3.5 years already, and I really love putting essential oils in everything that I use in my skincare, in diffusing for relaxation, and also there are essential oils that we can use in incorporating it in our food, in our salads, in our meat that we make for our dinner, lunch, and everything. And most especially, we can also incorporate essential oils in making our breakfast. So in today's video, I'm fan of making healthy green salads that will really help us boost our metabolism. And if you have a healthier habits, doing your physical exercise every day, you have to support this as well with a healthier type of food that you will be eating. Kasi wala lang din siyang there's no use of doing the exercises if you are also continuously eating unhealthy foods. So in today's video, actually I really love eating green salad. So maraming klase ng salad. So there are, here at least in Saudi Arabia, in the Middle East, it's very cheap to make a salad like this kasi mas mura yung mga gulay na ginagamit for salad. But of course, when we are in the Philippines, ibang klase naman na salad yung ginagawa natin, no? Kung ano yung available sa place natin. So, okay, let's go. I will be sharing with you what will be the ingredients. So, again, I want to give you a disclaimer for this video that this is not intended to treat, cure, or diagnose any disease. This video is even not intended to substitute any medical advice. If symptoms persist, please consult your doctor. Okay? So, again, a healthier lifestyle will give us really a healthier body in the long run. So, hindi lang natin titingnan kung anong nangyayari sa body natin ngayon. It's okay kasi okay lang naman, wala naman ako nararamdaman, and you will just continue doing or eating what you're currently eating. So, pag hindi ka pa into a healthier lifestyle, please do follow me in Instagram or my Facebook account, G Oily Essentials. So, you can also have some tips on healthier living, kung ano yung mga food na kinakain ko, and ano yung mga exercises and mga activities na ginagawa ko, and what essential oils I am using to continuously maintain my body into a healthier one. So, I would like to share with you before na I told you hindi ko masyadong nagkaroon ako ng isang physical condition na irreversible damage na siya kasi hindi na siya pwedeng it's uncurable unless that you will just maintain a good and healthier lifestyle, no? So that's the wake up call for me. Nung nagkaroon ako ng neck injury, nagkaroon ako ng mga side effects due to taking some medications, nagkaroon ako ng mga side effects. So, hindi ko siya pwedeng antayin. Nagkaroon na ako ng complication until I will do the action. So, I have to really, I did really change the lifestyle into a healthier one. So, hanggang ngayon, sinishare ko sa inyo so that you will be inspired as well to continue doing a healthier lifestyle. Okay? So, in today's video, I will be sharing with you I will be giving you gagamitin natin sa paggawa ng salad. So, gagamit tayo ng romaine lettuce, a stalk of celery, carrots, apple, a lemon fruit, and then, of course, our lemon essential oil. And then, salt and pepper, olive oil, and a can of kettle, whole whole kernel of corn. Okay, so let's start. So we'll just prepare the different vegetables. So I cut already romaine lettuce in pieces, followed by stalk of celery. Just cut it into smaller pieces, followed by the apple in thin slices. Then thin slices of carrots. Then add the whole corn kernel. Now we're going to prepare for our salad dressing. So we'll just squeeze half fruit of lemon. Then let's just add a little of olive oil. Usually I'm adding 3 to 4 tablespoons, pero tansyahan na lang ito. So yan, kung ano po yung mas masarap sa inyong panlasa. So for me, around 3 tablespoons is okay. And then add na po natin yung ating lemon essential oil. So at least just add a drop of lemon essential oil or 2, and it will give an extra boost in your metabolism and a very great taste in your salad dressing. So just add a little of your pepper. And salt. Mas masarap kasi yung maraming pepper. Medyo maanghang-anghang yung salad. And then I'm using Himalayan salt. So according to research, Himalayan salt is more pure in minerals and elements kasi hindi siya processed katulad ng commercialized na iodized salt. So once this is mixed, now we can add this already. So usually I'm adding some honey with the dressing, but for now I don't have, so okay na rin to siya. And we will now mix this to our salad. So ako gusto ko yung pre-mix na kaagad para at least mamimix ko siya ng maayos. But sometimes pwede mo rin ilagay lang din sa table and then you'll just mix it before you will serve it, you know. Or if while you are serving your food, you can mix your salad pag nandun yung salad dressing lang sa table. So this is it, guys. Yan, pwede na nating ma-serve ang ating vegetable salad. So actually, itong salad, this is more advisable to be eaten before meal kasi it will aid in our digestion, and it will aid in the digestion. So ibig sabihin mas faster yung ating digestion kasi more on fiber ang ating mga vegetables, mga green salad na ganito. So now our body can first detoxify. So dahil meron tayong olive oil and lemon essential oil in this, ayan, dito na yung salad natin. So dahil meron tayong olive oil and lemon essential oil in this salad, makaka-detoxify na ng body natin. And aside from that, it will also promote weight loss kasi of course after eating this salad, magkakaroon ka na ng full stomach kasi yung olive oil na nandito sa ating salad is meron siyang non-saturated fat. Yung olive oil is non-saturated fat ang component niya. So it will make you full but it will give you less calories. So parang it will make your stomach full, mabubusog ka na, so madi-decrease na rin yung pagkain mo ng iba pang pagkain like rice or meat, ganon. So this is very healthy. So you can start practice doing it. Anything na pwede nyo magamit na salad, any salad naman, any vegetable na pwede nyo gawaing salad, pwede nyo siyang gawing appetizer para at least yun yung purpose natin. Aside from it will promote the digestion, it will also promote the weight loss. So healthier yung healthier yung habits natin in that case. And then another one is lemon essential oil is actually high in antioxidant level. So it has a very high natural antioxidant level na magkaka-boost ng immune system natin. And aside from that, of course, it will decrease fat, or it will enhance fat burning in our body. So yun, so mga nagda-diet or just to maintain a healthier lifestyle, or you want to lose some weight, yan, ito maganda yung lemon essential oil na to. And then another thing ang ginagawa ko dito, just like with my previous video na share ko sa inyo, is to put a drop of lemon essential oil in a warm water and take it before breakfast in the morning. So it will, since yung body natin when we are sleeping, nagkakaroon ng dehydration kasi syempre kahit tulog tayo, nagkakaroon yung ng activity yung body natin, and that pag gigising ka parang thirsty na yung pakiramdam mo because your body is using a lot of fluids during our sleep. So once you wake up, ang gagawin mo, instead of taking your coffee, take a drop of lemon essential oil in a warm water, and then I'm really taking it daily. So aside from it promotes a good digestion, it gives me an energy to start my day. So it energizes my body to start the day. And aside from that, yes, it has a very high natural antioxidant that will really promote our body into a healthier one. So kung ano yung mga oxidation process na nangyayari sa katawan natin, sa mga cells natin, dahil sa pagkakaroon ng mga stress or mga hindi natin maiwasan yung mga food na nakakain natin sometimes are unhealthy, so na-detoxify by the use of lemon essential oil. So yan, so medyo marami na tayong na-share about lemon essential oil today, and so that is all for today, guys. Ano pa ba? Pwede din siyang gamitin sa gumagawa kayo ng mga fresh juices. You can add a little of your lemon essential oils to your juices. And mostly din na ginagamit ko ang lemon essential oil is in preparing for my food, like chicken. If you are marinating some chicken, either for roasted chicken or for baked chicken, so gumagamit ako ng lemon essential oil to make the taste healthy, to make it tastier and juicier, and also a healthier type of food that we will going to intake in our body. So ayan, so ito na ang ating perfect salad with olive oil, lemon essential oil, and the lemon juice extract. Yan. So, for our dinner tonight, yan, meron ako ditong lamb, rib soup, and then for our iftar, we have dates and salad, sambusa, and our dessert is leche flan. We have some grapes there over here, and some juice. So we're ready for our dinner. Hope that you now considered lemon essential oil to include it in your diet. Okay, so in your lifestyle. So that is all for today, guys. Until my next video, please comment down below kung ano yung mga gusto niyo mga video sa susunod, kung ano pa yung iba kong ginagamit, kung paano ko pa ginagamit yung mga essential oils. So that is all for today, guys. So see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.